What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. Stumbled across something very interesting in the BTC dominance chart this morning that I wanted to share with you. And this actually kind of took me down the rabbit hole. I started doing a ton more research, and what I found was actually that exchange flows may in fact be indicating a big shift in the crypto market. We're going to talk about that in this video. And altcoin holders, this is something you can get excited about. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is what I want you guys to hear. New on-chain data from CryptoQuant offers a potential shift in sentiment. As of June 27th, so today the 27th? No, yesterday. The average monthly exchange flow for altcoins has dropped to $1.6 billion, notably below the annual average of $2.5 billion. Historically, such reductions in exchange flows have coincided with phases of asset consolidation and accumulation, often preceding large upward moves. So this suggests that investors may quietly be positioning for the next major altcoin rally, building exposure as price stabilizes and volatility compresses. Now, this is not net flows in terms of exchanges. This is exchange inflows. And why this is such a big deal is what you're seeing is people are sending assets from cold storage to exchanges less and less and less. People are in fact hoarding their assets more and more. And this usually signals that we have a pretty big shift coming down the pipeline. Now, when we take a look at this in line with BTC dominance, this is painting a very consistent picture, because what we're actually seeing build in terms of BTC dominance right now is, one, things continue to look just a little toppy. Yes, we did in fact set a new all-time high, or not all-time high, new cycle high during the past few days. But what we were actually also seeing play out on both the daily and weekly time frames in terms of BTC dominance is bearish divergence, signifying we may in fact have a bit of a correction ahead of us here, a little bit of an altcoin rally. We're also seeing the total 2, total 3 push against resistance, total market cap of crypto overall trying to hold above all of its moving averages. There are a lot of things that are actually working in our favor right now, and all the stars seem to be aligning. The only thing that could really mess us up, guys, is negative news or retail PTSD just continuing to weigh on the markets like it has as of late. But what the data is showing us is that this is in fact dwindling. The markets are calming down. Kind of our times like we were seeing back in the early part of February and the later part of February, they have for the most part kind of left us behind. A big signifier of that is right now we're sitting at about as much open interest in the crypto market as we were back on our major liquidation event in February, but there's a lot more balance in the market. There's a lot of short pressure to the upside, meaning that we can in fact see some short leverage liquidations, a little bit of a short squeeze take place. Now, this isn't to guarantee your financial advice or anything like that, and understand all this data could change at the drop of a hat. We could very quickly see a big day where capital flows back to exchanges on some negative news or some bad data or whatever it might be. But could this in fact be where we're about to see this major pivot, and we're about to be underway in terms of our next rally, the big one in the crypto market? Let me know what your guys' thoughts are down below, but appreciate it as always. Have a great day. Show your love. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.